Good afternoon, good morning, or good evening. This is the 10th video of this Java series. In this video, I'll show you how to use for loops. A lot like a while loop, for loops are used to iterate code over a set amount of times. So inside of your class, we'll just type for, and then two parentheses, and then a open curly bracket and a closing curly bracket. Okay, that's the basis for a for loop. Inside the parentheses, we're going to add some arguments. The first one is initializing a variable. So let's say int count equals 0. Okay. The second argument is the logic expression it checks for. So we'll just use count less than or equal to, and let's say 60. Okay. Another semicolon. And the last argument is the iterator, or how much the count will jump every time the code executes. So let's go ahead and we'll say count plus equals, let's say 3. Okay? Now inside of the for loop, we'll just do a system.out.println, or let's just say print again, just like we did with the while loop. And we'll do a space in between each one and then a count, a little concatenation. Okay? So if we run this, we should get 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, all the way up to 60. Now if we wanted to change that and just do a plus plus, then we can get a whole lot more numbers, 0 through 60 completed. Or let's say we wanted to do a plus equals 5, and then we'll get 12 numbers. Okay. So unlike a while loop, you don't have to add the incrementer inside of the block code in here. The for loop automatically does that. And these loops are useful for when you want to iterate over something, such as an array or a list of objects, which I'll get into it a bit later. Anyways, that's pretty much it for for loops. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below, and I'll see you in the next video.